All right, let's go ahead and get started on today's live demo of the Thrive platform, the technology hub and reputation integration vehicle that is being offered by the BBB, by BBB, the Better Business Bureau. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's start off by talking about what Thrive is. So Thrive is a new benefit for accredited businesses and it has really great perks for the different softwares and technologies that you need or want to buy for your business. So some of the tools we're going to get into today, but to give you again kind of an idea of what it is that this is offering, it's some of the best in class software and tools for your business that you'll find on the market. Things like website builders, social media platforms, email marketing, directory listings, review and reputation management, a CRM to help you manage all your clients and customers and your sales process, appointments, and more. It's very heavily on the discounted pricing, which we'll get into a second. So one of the great benefits of purchasing these tools and setting these tools up through the BBB is that you're going to get really high discounts on these types of tools, pricing you're not going to find anywhere else. So that's a huge perk right off the top. It's also a la carte purchasing. So we have all these great tools like a website builder, social media, email marketing, etc. But it's like a marketplace. You don't have to purchase all these tools. They're not bundled, they're not tiered, they're not packaged together. You just pick and choose what you need for your specific business. So you only need to manage your social media, that's all you activate. If you only need a new website, that's all you need to activate. And you can activate as many as you want. Very easy setup as well. Each one of the tools, when you get it started, when you activate it, it's going to have a great getting started video to watch. So it'll get you up and running and show you how to work with it. And then each tool also has a really great tutorial once you get into the tool itself. So it's going to do a step-by-step walkthrough of how the tool works and what it does to help you kind of really get into the tool, get into the system, and start utilizing it the way you want to. Month-to-month tools, again, these are all month-to-month. If you activate a tool and a couple months later you realize you're not really using it, you can deactivate anything you want here. So there's no long-term contracts. We're not locking you into anything. We want you to be, excited about these tools and utilize them. If you're not utilizing them, it's not for you, which is perfectly fine. And it's single sign-on, single billing, employee access. That's the beauty of this system too, is it's just easier to use. Instead of having to log into a dozen different places to try to manage all the tools for your business, you can log into one place, manage your social media, update your website, send out your email newsletters, check on your reviews and respond to those. All the things you need to do on a daily basis, you can do in one place instead of jumping from place to place and trying to manage all these different tools, all these different logins, etc. You also get one bill per month, so you're not having to try to account for what tools you're setting up. You just get one itemized tool. And then for employee access, you can set up as many users as you want in the platform. And there's no cost for doing that unless you're activating like a CRM license specific for that person. But the great thing too is you can easily get them up and running, set them up very quickly with one data entry point. Or if somebody leaves, you can take them out of your system very quickly and easily and make sure they don't have access to anything they don't need to. You also get dedicated support. So you have a dedicated support person that is there, support people that are there and ready to help you with everything you need, whether it be setup, whether it be questions on how to utilize the platform, or if you just want to do one-on-one walk through some of these tools as you get up and running with them. Let's talk about some of the tools and kind of see the benefits versus the pricing and compare those to some of the other tools that you might get outside of a platform like this. So again, you can see the website builder here. You can see some of the functionality compared to Wix or Squarespace, and then the price points. And that's what we're going to really kind of focus on here too as well. The functionality of these tools, and we'll get to a little demo of these tools in just a moment where you can see how these tools actually work. But the price points are also, again, much less than you're going to find on any of the things outside of the platform. So website builder, you got an appointment scheduler. This is great for if you are you're running a salon or a spa or something where somebody wants to book appointments with you, pay online, those types of things. You can see the difference here between the functionality and the pricing. The CRM, we're getting to the CRM in just a moment as well. This is a very functional CRM. You can kind of see the features here and how it all works. But again, you see the pricing, and that's a big part. The pricing between Thrive, Salesforce, or Zoho is pretty substantial. Social media management platform. If you're managing social media profiles, if you're trying to be, create more of a social profile online, this is a great tool to help you be able to do that. And again, comparison between Hootsuite and Sprout Social, you'll see there's quite a bit of difference, and the pricing is quite a bit different as well. Email marketing. This is a big one because a lot of people would love to get some email marketing going, newsletters, be able to send mass communications out to their clients. And it can be very expensive to do through like a MailChimp or a Constant Contact, Campaign Monitor. As you can see, the pricing for us compared to these different systems is quite different. So a lot of cost savings in here. Directory listings, again, another big cost saving ones between Yext and SignUp. Yext SignUp, you have to sign up for year-long contracts as well. With Thrive, you don't. It's month to month. That's a tool that you'll probably want to activate and keep going though, because it really drives a lot of ROI, drives a lot of new leads, and really increases SEO for your business as well. Review management. So if you're getting reviews, if you want to manage your reviews more effectively, this is a great tool to be able to do that. Again, price point you'll see is quite a bit different. And a lot of the functionality is just a lot more functional through our system than you're going to get through like a Birdeye or a Grade S type of system. Now let's actually jump into the platform and show you some of these tools real quick. Let's go ahead and do that, because we want to show you kind of the functionality here. We talked about the pricing, we talked about what these tools can do, but the proof is in the pudding, right? Let's show you what this system can do and what it can do for your business. Now, again, all the tools on the platform, each one of these, once you log into your account, you're going to find any one of these you click on, it's going to have a little bit of information about the tool. It's going to have a video that's going to dive deep into what the tool can do, so kind of show you what that functionality is. It'll show you the price point and really kind of show you everything that you need to know about this tool before you decide if you need to purchase it or not. And then the purchase button is right there. You can just purchase and activate these tools right away. And again, they're all a cart. You pick and choose what you need. You don't bundle, we don't package. You're not having to purchase a specific tool to access others. You customize the platform to the need of your business. You can also, if you have multi-locations, you can come into your business management system and you can add other locations to the platform as well. So if you have 2 or 3 locations, if you're a franchise business, things like that, you can actually add different locations. And then you can jump back and forth between your businesses by using this drop down right here. So if you want to jump from location A to location B and see, manage the social media in one place versus another, very easy and functional to do that kind of stuff right here. The dashboard right here is the first thing you'll see when you log in, and it's a basic Google Analytics plugin. So you'll be able to pull in your Google Analytics right into here and kind of just get a high level view of where you're getting visitors, where people are viewing your site, pages per session, total visits, etc. We're going to say fairly high level on some of these tools. If you're excited about any of these tools and you want to learn more as well, go into the platform. You can watch some videos on each one of these tools. Again, you just click on social, click on email marketing. It's going to have a video in there that gets real deep into these tools as well. So we're going to say sort of high level here to kind of give you the functionality. But if you want more information, go on there. Also, if you're in one of these tools and you have questions, or if you want to schedule a one-on-one appointment to learn more about a tool, you can just click the chat bubble down here and schedule something with somebody from our team to give you some more insight and answer any questions you might have. So Website Builder, this is the only tool when you activate this one, it's actually going to pop out into a new tab. This is the only one that'll do that. All these other tools you'll see will insert right here. But for this Website Builder, we want to give you a place where you can view the entire page while you're building your website. So I think that's important. As you can see here, you open the Website Builder when you activate it. It's got a ton of templates to get you started based on whatever your business is. So if you're a business, an online store, photography, a musician, a restaurant, travel, tourism, a ton of different options here. And you can see there's just a ton of templates to get you started. You can just scroll through, find the ones that make the most sense for your business, whatever that might be. And then, whatever seems to be the closest to whatever your business is, you turn that one on, and all these are completely customizable. So if you don't see one that really completely 100% matches to whatever your business is, you can activate it still. So let's say I'm going to choose this one for a restaurant. You can still activate this, and then you can actually take this template and change it around however you want. You can edit the content, edit the images, edit the backgrounds, all that kind of stuff. Very easy to use, actually. A lot of people get a little scared when they're starting to build their website. The nice thing about this is it's very functional. It's got a lot of capabilities to it, but it's also very easy to set up. It's very easy to edit, and very easy to kind of get going pretty quickly. As you can see here, it's kind of block based. So every little section here, you're going to have its own settings, its own options, its own different ways you can make it work. So you just click on an area, you can click the settings, and you can see at the top, this is going to be the header area. You can, change and add your business to social profiles if you want. If you want your business phone, you can be in there, logo, site name, etc. So you can add a whole bunch of different stuff. You can make the header sticky if you want. So when you scroll down, it stays. It'll do that if you're in the live site. You can overlay the block into the next. So you can do things like that. So your logo kind of sits on the next block a little bit. So a lot of different ways you can do that. You can change your color styles, all that kind of stuff. And then as you can see, again, each block has its own option. So I come into this one and I can change the background image here. I can come into my settings and I can change the layouts, whatever I might want that to look like, a whole bunch of pre-created layouts here, or you can create your own. And then in the appearance, you can, again, come in here. You can add your business email if you want. You can do business hours if you'd like. Primary buttons, if you want a button down here, you can add that right there, and you add a button right there. So very easy to get up and running and really kind of build a really beautiful site that's going to be very functional for your business. It also has the ability, so let's say you come in through here and you got a whole bunch of different, blocks that you like, but let's say you want to add a specific block. You want to add something between the two. Come right here, and you can see here there's a ton of pre-made blocks in here as well. So cover, you can do features, you can do products, so you can do features for different products that you might have or your services, or products that you have. You can actually do a little highlight of each product. You can create a shop. This also comes with a full e-commerce system if you want to activate that. The site builder itself comes with a 3 product option, so that comes with the site builder, and then there's options to upgrade to 15, 50, and I think unlimited offerings as well. So you can have as many products as you want. But as you can see here, services, teams, articles, testimonials, there's a bunch of different kind of blocks you can add into here to really kind of customize the site to whatever it is that you want to see there. So again, really easy to use, really functional, a lot of different options here again about, your navigation, how you want that to work, what your design is going to look like, different color palettes, different fonts, different effects, all that good stuff within the system. And then once you're ready, once it all looks good, you can add as many pages as you want as well. So there's no limit on the pages. You can add 1,000 pages in this platform if you want, and you'll never run out. And you can hide the pages. You can add drop downs if you want. So you can see there's drop down menus here. Again, really functional, and then very SEO friendly as well. So you can come in and update your metadata. We have some great videos that you can watch that will also show you about metadata and meta information, how to update that to make sure you're getting a lot of that going, as well as mobile optimized. So it has the ability to, any device you're on, it's going to be completely 100% mobile optimized and scale down to whatever size of that screen is. So that's the website builder. You publish it and your site is live. Super easy to work with. If you have a domain, you can bring that in to the system. We can activate that for you. Or if you don't, you can actually purchase a domain through the Thrive platform as well. Okay, let's jump into some of those tools. Social media. This is a great tool. This is very popular on the platform, really functional if you're trying to manage social media more effectively, if you're trying to grow your social profile. This tool is one of those ones that really helps you do that. So when you come in, again, it's going to have a really great step-by-step tutorial to get you started. But you can see you can activate all your social profiles, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You got your YouTube, Google My Business, LinkedIn. It's also got some blogging stuff in here as well. So if you blog, you can, activate your WordPress, your Blogger, your Tumblr, your Medium, all those different systems right in here. You can also connect, if you're using anything like Slack, you can connect those types of things in here as well. Once you get your social profiles connected, the cool thing now is you can start to really interact with all those social profiles. So in here, you can come and you can compose to all the different social profiles right here, my Facebook, my Instagram, my Twitter, I can add my LinkedIn, etc. And then from here, I can start to, create my content. Hello world. And then I can actually change that content per social profile. So if I want to go at Thrive here, and then in here, I want to add, a specific image for Instagram or a video for Instagram, or on Twitter, if I want to add specific hashtags, I can do that. So it's really neat to be able to kind of differentiate your content between your different social profiles within one post. So you don't have to create a whole bunch of different posts to do that. Then you can also see what it's going to look like. So you can see what these are going to look when you publish them. Obviously, it will show you if there's any images or videos you add, it's going to all be in there. You can also add your images and videos here. So you can add it from your computer, from URLs, media libraries, or directly from YouTube if you'd like. It also has an image editor in here as well. So you can change the size, you can add filters, etc. right through here as well. Add your location, all that good stuff. And then from there, you can either send that out right at the time that you're drafting it up. You can also set up approval processes, or you can schedule it to go out at a different time. So if you want to set up this to go out later in the day or tomorrow or next week, you can do that as well. So very easy to kind of function and work in there. It also has the ability to do bulk uploading as well. So if you want to compose a whole bunch of posts for the week or for the month in bulk, you can do that right in here as well. Once you start to compose, you start to send out these different posts, then you can also engage with them here as well. So you can come in here. The priority inbox is going to be any direct messages you might get or any direct engagement you might get is going to come right in here, kind of like in an email format. So you can respond to direct messages and then move them out of your inbox. You can also manage all your streams through here as well. So you got your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter stream. You can add comments right here. You can have conversations back and forth. You can also manage your Messenger right through here as well. So any messages you get directly from Messenger, you can manage right in here as well. So again, a really great way to be able to activate and manage all your social profiles, all your social media without having to log into these different systems any longer. Just a much easier way to manage social media. You can also see what's been sent. If you're scheduling things out, you can see what's scheduled to come out. You can do that right here. You've got a calendar that you can view, when your social profiles or when your social content is to be scheduled and is going out. And then you can also create drafts and save a draft that you want to work on, and then update a little bit later. So you can do all that kind of stuff in here as well. It's got some great monitoring features, so you can monitor keywords and have them send an email based on to you based on your industry or maybe your competitors, so you can keep up on what other people are doing. The content system is really neat. The suggestions tool is pretty cool. For a lot of people that have a hard time finding new content, this is a great way to continue to keep your content up to date on your social media. So let's say I am a brewery, for example. I've saved craft beer as my topic. I can come in here, I can find related topic, beverages, food and beverage, home brewing, etc. And then I can also just scroll through a bunch of different articles based on this, based on my topic here. So I come in here and I can see my topics, I can see my different articles that are here. And then if I click on one of these, I can actually come in here and read whatever that article is right here. And then if I like it and I want to send it out, I can actually just click the share button right there and bring it right into my social profile. So right there we go. I can start to manage, I can, choose which social profiles I want to connect this to, and then I can actually send it out right here. So very easy to find new content. And then I can measure as well. So my reports hub, I can come in here and find, my reporting on my Facebook, my Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, et cetera, my engagement. So a great way to manage all your different social profiles and then get your data on those as well. Let's jump into email marketing next. This is a great tool if you're looking to really start to build a way to keep in contact with your clients or your past clients or any prospects you might have. This is a great tool for doing that because you can create really beautiful newsletters that you can send out on a regular basis to update your clients on things, update information for your customers. If you have new products, new services, those types of things, you can do all of that right in here as well, which is really nice. And you can actually send like mass emails out as well. So if you have a new update and you want to send it to prospecting lists, you can do that through here as well. Create your campaigns really quickly, really easily. And you can see it's kind of just a step-by-step process to get these up and running. You got your campaign in here and it's going to walk you right through the process. Insert your subject, insert your from or whoever it's coming from, create your email right here. So you can create your email. You can see you can draft it all up to look however you want, add images, add videos, add sections, all that type of stuff right into here. And then your contact list. So you can upload your contact lists into here. And then once your contacts are in there, you can create different lists. You can segment your lists. If you have different fields for your contacts, you can actually utilize those to be able to segment your list and say, I want to send this version to everybody in New York and this version to everybody in South Carolina, things like that to really kind of create a way to differentiate your content for specific different populations you might be working with. You can also create subscription widgets if you want to put something on your website to help drive new users, drive new people into your newsletters. You can do things like that. And then obviously your statistics. If you want to come in and see your statistics for any campaigns you send, you can see everything that's going on, delivered, opened, clicked, unsubscribed, blocked, etc. There's also some cool automation features in here. So if you want to automate some things in here, you can do that right here. That's anything from sending out like an anniversary email. So every birthday you want to send out an anniversary email, you can do things like that in here. So you got that. You can send out, a series of emails based on a date. If you want to send out a drip campaign, for example, contact update or really if somebody is coming new to your service and you want to send them just a quick welcome email, you can draft up emails, draft up templates, and send those type of things. So neat ways to kind of keep engaged with your clients and keep your brand in front of them on a regular basis. Directory management. This one is very popular. It's one of those tools, one of the few tools that we really probably recommend for really any businesses out there. This one drives ROI. What it does is when you fill out your profile information, you come in here, you got your basic data about your business, you know, your emails, your website, everything about your business that you need, long description, short descriptions, keywords. You got your rich data. So this is going to be services that you offer, any languages, brands, attributes, social media profiles, and then photos and videos. So if you have photos, if you have videos for your business, you can upload those in here. Once you have that done, then you can start to manage that. It will publish into all these main directories. So you got your Google, your Facebook, your Bing, Foursquare, Yelp, Google Maps, all these map and navigation systems. So you can put your business into Audi, VW, Waze, all these different systems. You got your general publishers. So all the big publishers out here, you got Manta, Factual, Dex, Super Pages, Yellow Pages. But the neat thing about what happens here is when you put all that information into the profile and it publishes out to all these different directories, it will create really robust profiles. So we'll make sure all that information is correct, make sure it's all concise, and then it will actually build very full profiles for you, very robust profiles. So when people visit those profiles, they'll have a lot of data to kind of go off of. Not only that, so that's going to drive you leads. And we see it every day when people activate this tool, they start to see their leads just really start to ramp up. But also it creates a much bigger footprint online for your business. And that helps you drive SEO value, which really helps you rank higher in Google, rank higher in Bing to drive more leads into your business via those channels as well. So a very popular tool, very powerful tool. And definitely, again, one of those ones that really there isn't a business type we don't say this should not be activated for you, because this one is just very powerful. $30 a month, you're going to see an ROI that is going to be very positive on a tool like this. And then you can also publish this as well. So let's say you have news or you have offers that you want to publish, a weekend offering that's coming up. You can actually, set an offering. You can set it for Google and all your different directories, and then publish that out. People can see those offerings. They can see, the content and whatever link you want to put in there, all that kind of stuff. And then you can actually set the start and end date. So if it's just for the weekend, you set the start date, you set the end date, it'll go up and come down automatically. But again, a great way to make sure people know what's going on about your business. And then you got your dashboard here. Dashboard is great because it gives you, some great analytics about what's going on with your business, where you're getting views, how many different profiles you're on across the web. So you can see where you're being published, clicks, impressions, all that good stuff. And then here on the right-hand side, this is neat too, because this is actually a great way to see where you're getting clicks, where you're getting views, where you're getting, it really is a proof in the pudding kind of system. It's going to show you that this system is working for you. So again, a great tool. We recommend it for everybody. You're going to see some positivity out of this. If nothing else, just creating a really nice online profile. So when people search your business, you're going to have pages of, your business is going to take up all the first, 5, 6, 7, 10 pages online, which is important as well. All right, reputation management. This is a popular one as well. If you're trying to build out a reputation online, you want to manage your reviews, or if you're getting reviews on a regular basis, this one is very powerful as well to help you kind of manage those more effectively. So you can see in here, you get all your reviews. They come right into this system. This plugs into over 70 different review sites. So if there's any review site you want, it's pretty much going to be integrated into the system. Everything from Yelp, Google, Facebook, all the big ones, right, to TripAdvisor. Even if you're a doctor, ZocDoc, doctors.com, those types of things are in here as well. So it really gets pretty niche. But as you can see, you got your response queue. You come in here, you see the reviews that are coming in right here. And then you see, I've got a pretty bad review here on Google. I can actually respond to this right through the platform as well. So I come in here, I click there. If I've provided my site logins, I can do a couple different things. I can actually come in here and create my own response right there. I can also set up some templates if I want. So I can say, if I get a 1-star review, I want this to be the template. You can see it's going to bring in the reviewer's name automatically, things like that, 1-star, 2-star, 3-star. So you can set those things up in here as well to make it very easy to be able to quickly and easily respond to your reviews. And again, this is for all different profiles. We even have the BBB in here. So if you have reviews through the BBB, you can respond to those right through here as well. You can also generate your reviews as well. So if you want to generate new reviews, you can come into here, and then you can actually use email, text. You have a landing page to be able to generate new reviews. You can do it one-off here. You can do bulk uploads. So if you collect emails from clients over the course of a week, you can bulk upload those on like on a Friday, send that out, and have all your people start to review you over the weekend. You can also use the URL right here. So if you have like an iPad or something on site, people can fill it out right there for you if you want. You can see it sends out a text. You can have it send out a text. You can change up whatever you want the text to say. You can change your description, all that kind of stuff right here. It'll send out a text to say, hey, please review us. You got your email right here as well. Email has a couple different functions with it as well. So you can send out an email. It looks like this. Phil's Barbecue, thanks. We love reviews. Please review us. You can also choose where you want your reviews here. So I can come in and say, okay, I have a ton of Facebook reviews. I don't need any more of those, but I want some more TripAdvisor reviews. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to move that one to the top, and then I'm going to save that, and boom, you can see my email changes to really guide people to where I want more reviews at. It also has a customer satisfaction gatewaying feature if you'd like as well. This will send an email that looks like this instead. So what happens here is if somebody clicks the lived up to them, it'll take them to a place where they can actually view the different options for reviewing you, and they can actually write the review right there. But if they ever fell short of the expectations, and maybe they were going to give you a 1 or 2 or 3 star review, then it will take them to a place where instead of reviewing you, it'll just let them write a review to the manager, to whoever the owner or the manager of the business is. So it kind of gateways those reviews. So you get that information, you still get that feedback, but it's not a live review online to give you to kind of bring down your review totals. So neat kind of functionality there. And then you have a landing page as well. So this is great. Actually, we see a lot of people will use this. They'll grab the URL right here, and then they'll use this with their email marketing. So if they're sending monthly newsletters, they'll put a little button in their email marketing and their newsletter saying, hey, we love reviews, review us here. It will take them to this place where people can start to review them right there. But you can use this URL, this domain, or this URL, this little landing page wherever you want to help drive new reviews. And that's important too. Reviews are very important for businesses. So if you think, okay, yeah, I don't get many reviews, I don't really care that much. Reviews are also very important for ranking on Google and Bing. They take that really into account when they're deciding who to rank. If you have more reviews and more positive reviews than somebody else that maybe has the same, online footprint, you will rank higher than them if you have more positive reviews. So keep that in mind. This is a great tool to help you get more reviews and start to drive that value up if you want to start to drive more leads online. We have a CRM as well. CRM is very powerful. Again, this is one of those ones, if you want to get a real deep dive, let us know. Use the chat feature, come into the system. We can do a one-on-one walkthrough with you because it's very powerful, very easy to use as well, but there's a lot of functionality you can set up or activate or deactivate within the system. So you can see here in the CRM, you can manage your contracts, cases, any opportunities you have for different customers, you can manage those. You can manage leads. If you're bringing leads in through your website or through Facebook ads or wherever that might be, you can drive them right into here. You can set up drip marketing. So you can say, okay, if I get a new lead via a web form on my website, I'm going to send them an automated email 1. 2 days later, if I haven't heard from them, I want to send them an automated email 2, and then remind a salesperson to call them, right? You can automate all of that through here. So really great functionality to kind of keep people working through your sales funnel. You can manage customers, competitors, finances. You can do expense reporting, invoicing, estimates, credit notes, properties. If you're in real estate, you can actually manage your properties through here. You can upload all your different products, your SKUs, images, etc. Weight, anything you have about different products that you're selling, you can upload those in here. And then when you're doing that, you can actually manage your supply chain, shipping, orders, inventory, receiving. All that you can manage right through here. So very functional, a lot you can do. There's some great marketing systems in here as well. So if you want to send out, marketing campaigns and manage marketing campaigns through here, you can do that here through as well. Again, this one is really, really functional, has a lot of capabilities to it. So we're going to stay kind of high level on it. It's very customizable. You can, add whatever fields, anything you need to track, any kind of custom reports that you want to see, you can put those, set those up in here. Kanban views, you can drag and drop your leads, through your sales process very quickly and easily. Right in there. But again, we're going to stay kind of high level. If you're interested in this one, you want to learn more, go ahead and just click the chat button inside of the system, and we can have a one-on-one consultation with you so that you can, for free, there's no cost to that, to show you what the platform can do and really see how you can customize it to your specific needs of your business. Also, if you click the little help button right here, it'll take you to our support area. You can see there's a ton of great information here getting started. There's some great videos, great tutorials in there, some information on the platform, troubleshooting if you ever have any issues. There's some great troubleshooting stuff. And then each one of the tools has its own, directory management has a ton of great resources, information, FAQs, CRM, all these types of things. So dive through here a little bit. And then if you have any questions, again, you can always get a hold of us right here. Thanks for joining us today. We're going to show you real quick one more thing, how to get started in the platform. So once you are ready to go, you can log in via the BBB portal. So if you're in your BBB portal, you can click on the little Thrive button right there and it'll bring you right into the platform. So that's one way to activate it or access it. You also should have gotten some credentials sent to you a couple days ago or, whenever you started. So you can use those to log in whenever you want as well. Browse the platform, again, watch some of those videos, see if a tool is right for the needs of your business. You can activate these tools. And again, all the tools are month to month. So activate a tool. If you don't like it after a while, you can always deactivate it, not a problem there. Schedule one-on-one if interested. So if you want to learn something specific about a tool, go ahead and use that chat feature, chat with one of our team, and we can set up something to actually do a walkthrough, one-on-one walkthrough if you have deeper questions about any of the tools. And then start to build your online presence and strategy. Start to really kind of develop a strategy that's going to help you drive more leads, manage your business more effectively, and really be more productive. Also, there's a coupon code. So if you want to get started today, go ahead and use the coupon code Thrive 2021, and you'll get a $65 credit on the platform to get started. So as you can see through the price points that we went through, that's going to cover quite a bit. So if you want to get started, go ahead and use that coupon code when you get in there, $65 credit, and get going. Thanks, and we'll see you on the platform.